everybody. So I go, go, Chef Sean.
That's right, cooking with Chef Sean. What are we making today, Chef Sean?
Chef Sean.
We are making
Chicken. Pan.
Tenders. All right, let me get the measuring cups out. Get out the measuring cups. So we have chicken here. It's there in the pan. Hold on, we're gonna pour some buttermilk on it. So why don't you grab the buttermilk, give it a good shake. We'll shake it up. You ready?
Chicken.
We're gonna
Chicken.
shake it up. Shake it up. All right, measure it in the cup here. A cup of it. There you go. Perfect. You pour it over the chicken. That's right.
It's time.
There's our large bar pan. Large bar pan today. Thank you. Did you see Dad walking by? Is he saying you're doing great? Say,
Second.
yeah. Whip up those eggs. Whip them up good. And I'll stir this up. We'll let that sit aside for a minute, just to soak. This is so easy, right? So easy. Keep stirring. You gotta mix it all up. Very nice. So this bowl doesn't move anywhere, does it? Because it's a stainless steel bowl, and it stays.
Steel, yeah.
Yeah. Steel, still. That's our little joke. Yeah, pour it right in there. We also have the seasoned panko. So we get some good seasoning on these chicken nuggets.
Chicken nugget.
You could put spices in there if you wanted.
Yeah.
Get a cup of the seasoning. How's that? Go ahead. Very good. And then a little flame just to even it out. There we go. So, cooking, but that's fine. Alright, we'll hold on to this over here. In there. Get them dipped into the egg. I'm supposed to stir it, am I? Okay, hold on. I will. Okay, buttermilk is good. I think gave it a good flavor. Okay, into there. There we go. 1. 2. I'm gonna drain out some of the egg. Yeah. Drain out some of the egg. All right. It's gonna be eggy. There. Okay. And then these can go in the dishwasher. And we're gonna give this a shake.
Shake.
You ready, Chef Sean? Shake it up.
Shake, yeah.
Yeah, shake, shake, shake. It's gonna go on the pan after. Shake, shake, shake.
Good, yes.
We're gonna put it on the pan. You ready? You ready?
Well, yeah.
It's like a pillow. What's that look like?
Pillow.
Yeah. Come on, let's put it on the pan. So it looks good and coated.
Egg.
I think that looks good. Alright. So, shall I get the tongs for you, Chef Sean?
Yes.
And the oil. We're going to spray a little bit of oil. I know, you don't like to touch them. You want to pump that oil up 10 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, yes.
All right. It needed a little extra. I hear All right. Tongs.
Good.
You want to get out the, there you go. Get out the chicken, the piece up. There you go, put it on there. Nice. All right, get the next one. See how good and coated they are? There you go, get them all on there. Very nice. Get them all. Okay, we'll spray it. Oh, wait a minute. Did we come up? Yeah, you try, use your finger. There you go. There it is. Push it down good. There you go. All right? Go ahead and spray them. Nice. Okay. That one's got a lot. Okay. You got that. I'm going to put them in the oven
Yes.
for about
5 minutes.
5, I think maybe 15. Yeah,
Good.
maybe 20, and we'll turn them halfway through. Want to try that?
Yes.
Okay. So why don't you grab that, we'll put them in the oven and say, we'll be right back.
Way back. Sure. Hi, everybody.
We are back. What are we making?
Back.
We're going to make some
Skin.
salad. Some,
So,
yes, we're going to use the
quiz.
quick slice. It's here. Okay. Now, Chef Sean, would you like to peel this cucumber?
Come on, cracker.
Peeler. Should have that out. Here it is. I know. Sorry, Chef Sean. I was not prepared. Oh my goodness. I know. I'll pay for it later. Okay. So here is your peeler, Chef. I'll move this out of the way for you. I believe somebody's phone is ringing. I don't know why we have a phone on set here. Here you go. And you can peel that cucumber. Make sure that it's all, the skin is off there. Well, we'll just cut up a few pieces for us. See how easy that is? Careful now. That's right, you gotta keep your hands away, your thumb away from it. You're getting very good at that. Very good. Tell everybody how easy it is. Say, it's so easy. Now turn it around and go the other way. There. Now that is super easy. The vegetable peeler. Say, it's we're going to use the quick slice next. Yep.
Quick slice.
Yeah. I know you like the quick slice. Is that one of your favorites? The quick slice? All right. I think that's all. Good. Okay, so we'll put that aside. I will cut the end off for you. And here is your quick slice. So it's super easy. It's the wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Nice. Yes. Tell me.
Yes.
Yes. You're gonna put some in my salad and some in yours. Just those ones for you. Or are those ones for you? Some in that bowl. A little bit more. Who gets more? And some for them. All right, that looks good. A little extra there. And what else do we need? Some tomato. Where's the one I just washed? Oh, here it is. So I washed this tomato. And we can wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Can I try?
I try.
Can I try the quick slice?
Kristen?
Can I try it?
Yes.
All right. How are we gonna cut this?
Yes.
All right. You want the top off so it's nice and flat? So if you have the tomato knife, it actually works really well to cut the top off. Okay. So we start it on the bottom here because it's a tall one. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then I'm going to move it to the tray. You want to finish it? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, now you're going to share some tomato for you and some tomato for me. Some for you.
boy.
No, just all for me. Do you want some?
That's all right.
Some for you? Take some for you? This much? Okay. Very nice. Now, do we want any peppers or anything? Do we want, that's enough tomato, I think. How about some peppers? This chicken's almost done, so we're just about ready for our lunch. I have some peppers already cut, but we can dice them, make them small. How about that? How about we take the peppers that we cut and make them smaller? How about that? We have some diced peppers. I'm going to dice them. This gives some nice even dices. There you go. Wiggle, wiggle. Nice. All right, so put those on yours. Dump them right on yours. Go ahead, pick them up. Dump it on there. Good. Nice job, Chef Sean. Hold on, I dropped some. I'm not as neat as you are. Hold on a minute. I know, I heard the chicken go off too, so we'll go get that in 1 second. There you go, wiggle, wiggle. And then a nice salad. Yes, all the way through. Wiggle, wiggle all the way through. Yeah, no, wiggle. Wiggle all the way through. Okay. Oh, it did. Already went. Okay, you cut them all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't put your hand at the bottom because that's very sharp. So we don't put it at the bottom. Okay? Very good. It's very sharp. All right, and this goes in the dishwasher. We have our salads ready for our lunch. And I will get the chicken out of the oven. Let's get our cooling rack out so we can take a look at this. I've got it. Here's the cooling rack. Just out the way so you can see. All right, here comes the chicken, Chef Sean. Oh, that looks fabulous. I know, I think you got one of the crispies there on the pan, but that's okay. So, here we have our chicken tenders. Now if we use the whole wheat, so yeah, see it's crispy crust? That's very crispy. That looks very good. And our salad. All right, does that look delicious?
Yes.
You ready to eat?
Yes.
All right, tell everybody.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
How is it?
Delicious.
Delicious? Is that?
What?
Say it's.
Delicious, yeah.